Don't know how to prepare for NEET in a short time? Tense and worried? Relax. With Career Orbit's fast track online crash course for NEET, you can prepare 5 to 10 times faster, and that too with perfection, and easily score 650 plus marks in NEET like these students. Don't have time to revise chapters from lots of books? No worries. Now prepare and revise a chapter in 2 to 3 hours with our smart study notes. These notes cover important concepts and extra material from top reference books, and you can revise a chapter so quickly. The study notes are so designed that if you don't recall a concept, get complete explanation of that concept on a click right there. Save as much as 90% time in revision. Unable to solve numericals, every second question goes wrong. Calm down. Now develop problem-solving abilities the fastest possible way with our smart question bank for each chapter. No need to struggle with a question endlessly. When you answer a question wrongly, get detailed step-by-step solution. Find your mistake at a glance, like up to step 3 your answer tallies, but in the next step you committed a silly mistake or a logical mistake. In physics or chemistry questions, this helps you greatly. You can learn the correct steps in less than half a minute. Some biology questions could be tricky. With logical, detailed explanations, clear your doubts even for biology questions. While solving a question, can't recall a concept or key formula? Nothing to worry. You are not the only one to forget, but now you can quickly revise on just a click. While you go through our detailed explanations for the questions, get the definition and key formula on a mouse over and pull out the study note on a click. Never feel panicky that you're forgetting concepts. Fearing if you could remember all those steps till the exam date? Overcome your fears with repeated practice through revision lists and bookmark list. We don't want you to risk even a single question. So practice these wrongly answered questions at least 3 times correctly through revision list 1, 2 and 3. Bookmark important and tricky questions for last minute revision and practice before the NEET exam. Worried how to manage time during the NEET exam? Our scheme of mock tests systematically trains you to finish your test in time and with perfection. Firstly, take chapter-wise tests after completing question bank of each chapter. Then take minor tests and finally the full syllabus mock tests. You get only NEET level questions in these tests as per latest pattern. Analyze which questions earned you negative marks and which questions took you more time. Still not getting desired marks in tests? Don't know how to improve? We help you improve beyond the marks you get in these mock tests. Clear your doubts on wrongly answered questions and unanswered questions with our detailed step-by-step solutions. You get all such questions in your flag list. Practice these questions through flag lists and improve your score in every successive test and in the NEET exam. Experience the fastest crash course for NEET. Take a free trial. Start now.